Welcome to NCRT Mathematics Class 5, Chapter 3, How Many Squares, Part 3. How many squares in mean? Write the area in square centimeters of the shapes given below. They have given us few shapes and they are asking us to find out the area of the given shapes. Now, first, already as we discussed in the prior videos, what we have to remember, we have to ignore a square if it is less than half filled. Half filled से भी कम है तो we will ignore it. But we will count the squares as one it is more than half filled. We'll consider the whole squares which is 1, yes or no, and more than half filled will also be considered as one square, but less than half is ignored. Okay, ma? Now, for figure A, I have taken separate each figure so that it will be easy for you all to understand. Now, figure A. Now, we'll count. In figure A, first see how many half-filled are there. Otherwise, first easy thing, how many full-filled squares are there. That is complete squares, okay. This is complete square. This is a complete square. This is a complete square. So, how much we got? We got 3 complete squares. Yes or no? See, I have written it here. 3 complete squares. Next, now we will see more than half filled. More means jada. Adha se jada. More than half filled. So, this is more than half filled. Yes, 1. This is also more than half filled. 2. And this is also more than half filled. That is 3. So, that also we got how much? 3. So, see, I have written here covers 3 squares that are more than half filled and 3 squares that are less than half filled. Now, half less than half filled means आधा से कम. So, this is less than half filled. Yes. So, you can see here one part is there here. That is less than half filled and this is less than half filled. So, less than half filled, what will we consider that? No, that is not considered. We will consider only complete squares and more than half filled. Okay. Now, and if half filled are there, that is also considered. Now, we know that area of one complete square. For one complete square, what is the area? 1 square centimeter. Now, so area of figure A is equal to area of 3 more than half filled squares plus area of 3 complete squares. That is 3 plus 3, that is 6 square centimeter. You can write like this also, 6 square centimeter. Okay. Now, we know that otherwise when we go with the formula, okay, this is the normal one which we did in a simple way, and we can do with the formula also. Now, this is a triangle. Yes or no? What shape is this? This is a triangle shape. So, area of a triangle formula is half into base into height. Half into base into height. This is base. What is this? Base. And this is height. Okay. Half into base into height. See, what is the base? 1, 2, 3. So, base is 3. So, half into 3 into height is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the height? 4. So, no. So, 2 ones are 2 twos are cancelled. 3 twos are 6 square centimeter. Okay, understood? That is what is given here. I hope everyone understood this one. Now, shall we move to the next one? Now, B. Now, B covers, this is the exact square shape. Yes or no? So, it will be easy for us. Now, see how many complete squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, no, sorry, this one. 4 complete squares. So, how many complete squares are there? I have written here it is 4 complete squares. Now, next, coming to this. Yes or no? This is exactly half filled. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, how many are there? 8 are there. Okay. So, area of 8 half filled squares. Now, next, you can see these parts here, the corner parts. These corner parts are exactly quarter. How can we say that? Because as it is an exact square, we can say that. So, exact quarter. So, that can also be considered. So, how many quarter squares are there? 4. So, what are all there for us now? 4 complete squares. So, 4 into 1, 4 plus and 8 we counted here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 half filled squares. means 8 ka आधा, half filled, half into how many are there? 8. So 2 ones are 2, 4s are. So that is equal to 4 plus this is quarter square. Quarter square means 1/4. The quarter means 1/4. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1/4, the fourth is 1. So 4 plus 4 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. That is what is given here. Understood all of you? Now, once again I am saying here, see how many we got? 4 complete squares, 8 half squares and 4 quarter squares. I am explaining you again how I got it. 4 into 4 plus half into 8 plus 1/4 into 4. That is 4 plus 4 plus 1. That is 9 centimeters. 9 square centimeters. Okay. Now next one. Now C and D. So similarly, everything is same process. Complete squares 1, 2. So how many complete squares are there? 2. So 2 into 1, 2. Now next, more than half is there. Yes or no? This is more than half. This is more than half. 2 are there. So that is also 2 plus 2. That is 4. Okay. 2 complete squares, 2 more than half. So 2 plus 2, 4. Now when we come to D, when we see area of complete squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many I got it? 5 complete squares plus this is see exactly half. This is also exactly. So half plus half 1, that is 6 square centimeter. Understood all of you? Now next one, figure E. Similarly, in this way you will calculate the complete squares. How many complete squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how many we got? 18. So 18 into 1, 18. Plus what all is left out? Always remember, put a dot like this so that you can understand what is left out for you. Okay. Now here what all is left out for you? Here exactly half is left out. 1. Here half 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many halves are there? 6 halves are there. So 1 by 2 into 6. So 2 ones are 2, 3s are. So what is that? 18 plus 3, that is equal to 21 square centimeters. Understood? Now for F, first calculate how many complete are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many complete squares are there? 4 complete squares are there. Plus, now see this is more than half. 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 So how many? 4 more than half. That is 4 into 1, 4. And then next when consider this, that is less than half, less than half, less than half, less than half. And I said that less than half is not considered. So we'll get only 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8 square centimeters. Okay, ma? Now next one, try triangles. The blue triangle is half of the big triangle. Area of the big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. So the area of blue triangle is dash square centimeter. Both the big triangle in this rectangle have same areas. First always understand what is question given. Okay. The blue triangle means this one. Triangle is this one. Yes or no? This is the triangle. The blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. Understand the terms which they are saying clearly. This is rectangle. This is triangle. So what they are saying, this is exactly half of that rectangle. So if we know the area of the rectangle, if area of rectangle is 10, what will be the area of the triangle? 5, half, adha. Okay. So now from the question, area of the big rectangle is given as, they have given the area of big rectangle. Whole rectangle is 20. So area of blue triangle will be how much? Half of 20. Yes or no? 20 ka adha. So that is 20 by 2, that is 10 square centimeter. Okay. And one more thing they said, both the big triangles and the rectangle have same area. So if blue is 10, if I ask one more question from this, what is the area of red? 10, because both are having same area. Okay. Now next one. In that there are two halves of two different rectangles. Yes or no? Here one orange rectangle is there, one green rectangle is there. Two rectangles are there. Now find the area of the two rectangles. What is the area of red triangle? And they are also asking the area of the triangle. And seeing this, we can exactly say that this part, yes or no, this is exactly half of this orange part. And when we see this, this is exactly half of that green part. Yes or no? Exactly half. Now, from the figure, we can say that the orange rectangle, in orange rectangle, how many are there? 1, 2, 3. Area we have find it now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes or no? We are getting 12. Or we can put it by formula also. What is the formula? Yes, you all remember what is the formula? Length into breadth. So, what is the length? 1, 2, 3. 3 into, what is the breadth? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 fours are 12 square centimeter. So, like that also you can find. But if you don't know that, what you will do? You count the number of squares. So, how many squares are there? 12 square centimeters. Similarly, what find the area of a green triangle? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Otherwise, formula is L into B. L is 2 into breadth is 4. So, 2 fours are 8. Okay. So, now we got the area of orange rectangle, area of green rectangle. This is 12 and this we got it as 8. Now, the area of orange portion of the triangle we will find, because as I said you earlier, this is exactly the half part. Yes or no? So, half of the whole rectangle. So, area of whole rectangle is 12. So, half of 12 is how much? 6. So, this we got it as 6. Now, the area of green portion of the triangle we will find. This is exactly half of the green portion. So, green portion is how total green portion is 8. So, 8 by 2 is 4. So, this is 4. So, now we can say the whole triangle. How will get the whole triangle? 6 plus 4, that is equal to 10 square centimeters. Okay, ma? Now, next one. Now, complete the shape. Suruchu drew two sides of a shape. She asked Asif to complete the shape with two more sides so that the area is 10 square centimeter. Now, how many sides she has drawn? Two sides she has drawn. And she asked Asif to complete two more sides. She asked to take only two more sides, so the area will become 10. So, then the Asif completed it in this way. And now we have to check whether it is 10 square centimeter or not. First one is that. Okay. Now he has taken these two extra shapes. Now how will calculate the area? What I said, we will calculate first full 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not full, 6. So we got it as 6 plus now this is exact half. So no, correct beach mein se ja raha. This is also exact half, exact half, exact half. Okay, this is also exact half. This is also exact half. So, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 exact halves are there. Means 8 exact halves means 8 by half. That is 2 fours. So, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So, did we get 10 as she asked? 10 square centimeter, did we get it? And left out is what? This, that is less than half, so it is not considered. Here also less than half, not considered. I hope everyone understood. So, E is correct. Now, we'll go to the next one. Explain how the green area is 4 square centimeter and yellow area is 6 centimeter. They're asking us how the green is 4 square centimeters, that is this part, and how the yellow part is 6 square centimeter. Now, first, when we take this green area, this is this part, okay, green area, how many complete squares are there? 1, 2 complete squares are there. So, 2 into 1 will take it as 2, okay, here I give the explanation. Plus, now, this, what is this? Now, this is half, this is half, this is half, this is half. How many halves are there? 4 halves are there. That is 4 by 2. So, completed na? Everything is completed. So, that is 2 plus 4 by 2 is 2. That is 4. So, did we get exactly 4? Yes. Now, yellow area contains, now we will go to the yellow area. Yellow area contains, first see how many complete squares are there. 1, 2, 3. How many complete squares are there? 3. So, 3 into 1, 3. plus, now next, this is more than half. Okay, now this is also more than half. So how many more than halves are there? 2. So that is 2 into 1, 2 plus, now what all is left out? This is left out, this is left out. Those two are half filled. This is also half filled. So 2 halves filled. So 2 by 2, that is 1 plus, now this is less than half, not considered. Here also less than half, not considered. So this much only. So 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. Did we get the same thing? Yes. Now we'll move to the next one. Practice time. This is one of the sides of a shape. Complete the shape so that the area is 4 square centimeter. They have given us one side and they are asking us to complete the shape so that the area is 4 square centimeters. Your creativity, you can try as per your wish. Okay, ma? Now, as this side is given, I have drawn these two sides. Okay, I have completed the shape. Now let's see that whether the area is 4, and the shape whichever you draw, you have to see that you are getting area 4 only. Okay, now complete squares. How many complete squares are there? 2 complete squares are there. So that is 2 plus, now what is left out? This is off, this is off, this is off, this is off. How many half squares are there? 4 half squares are there. Half means half into 4. Yes or no? That is 4 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2s are. So that will get it as 2. So that is 4 square centimeters. Okay, all of you understood this? Now next one. You can apply by formula also, half into base into height, which I told you earlier. Now, two sides of a shape. Now, the next one. Two sides of a shape are drawn here. Now, complete the shape by drawing two more sides so that the area is less than 2 square centimeters. So, two sides have been given for us. They are asking us to draw two more sides, but the area should be less than 2 square centimeters. So, when we see this, we can see this. This is exactly half and this is exactly half. So, half plus half means that is 1. So, we are getting area there already 1. So, they are asking us for 2 square centimeters. Yes or no? They are asking us for 2 square centimeters. Already we are getting 1. So, if we make a shape in such a way that we make whole squares, something like this, okay, something more like this, then the area will become more than 1. But they said that the area should be less than 2. So now we have to take in such a way that this is the two shapes which is given, and the remaining two shapes we have to take in such a way that it is less than half. So that less than half is not considered. So this is less than half, this is less than half. So the area will be half and half, that is 1. Understood all of you? Now the next one. Now, here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeters. They have given us a rectangle of area 20 square centimeters. How you will find out the area? Either by counting the squares. So, top here 10 is there. Here 10 squares are there. So, 10 plus 10, 20. Otherwise, what is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. So, length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 into what is the breadth? 2. 10 into 2 is 20. Okay, these are the two ways. Now, draw one straight line in the rectangle to divide it into two equal triangles. Now, they are asking us to draw a straight line so that it is divided into two triangles. So, how you will do for this? How you will do for this? You will draw a line from the center like this. Then doesn't this become, because if this is a rectangle, if we draw from between, this will become one triangle and this will become one triangle. That is what I did. Otherwise, you can do like this also. In this way also you can draw. Then also it is divided into two triangles. Okay. Now, area of the rectangle equal to, already I told you how to calculate. Length into breadth, that is 10 into 2, that is 20 square centimeters. Then area of two equal triangles. Now whole rectangle is 20. Now we have divided it into exactly half. Yes or no? So this triangle will be half of 20 is 10, and this triangle will be 10. Understood? So area of the two triangles will be 10 square centimeters each. Now, why? Because it is given that straight line divides rectangle into two equal parts. When we have taken a rectangle, when we know that this is 20, now we have exactly divided in the half. So, this area will be 10, this area will be 10. Understood? If you are having a chocolate, you have divided exactly like this. 20 pieces were there earlier. So, when after division, one will get 10 and the other one will get 10. The same policy. Okay. Next one. Now, draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal rectangles. What is the area of each of the smaller rectangles? Now, in this, they are asking us to, they have given the same rectangle and divide it into two equal. So, I have divided like this. So, it will be 10 and this will be 10. Otherwise, you can do like this also. This side 5 and this side 5. Means if 20 is there, this side 10, this side 10. Like this also you can divide. Okay. Now, area of big rectangle is already we calculated. It is 20 square centimeter. So, area of each smaller will be, as I said, the chocolate one. This will be 10 and this will be 10. Understood? Now, next one. Draw two straight lines in this rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and two equal triangles. First, listen to the question properly. The before rectangle, the big rectangle which is given, they are asking to draw two straight lines. Okay, how many straight lines to be drawn? Two straight lines in this rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and two triangles. वन रेक्टेंगल को एक पूरा रेक्टेंगल में ओनली दो लाइंस ड्रॉ करके एक रेक्टेंगल भी करना है और तो ट्रायंगल भी करना है. समझ में आया? सो हाउ आई डिड दैट? First, exactly, this is totally 20. Yes or no? So, first I divided exactly in the half one. Okay. So that this will become one rectangle. And the remaining rectangle which is there, in that exactly center, I have drawn one more line. So it will become two triangles. This is one triangle. This is one triangle. All of you understood that? The whole rectangle which is there, first exactly in between I divided so that it will become into rectangles, and then in the one part of the rectangle exactly in between I drawed a line so that this will become one triangle and this will also become one triangle, and this is one rectangle. Now let's go to the question. What is the area of the rectangle? They are asking us to find the area of the rectangle which you divided. So what is the area? One method, calculate the boxes, squares. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 square centimeter. Or formula is length into breadth. Yes or no? Length into breadth. Length is 1 2 3 4 5. 5 into breadth is 2. So 5 into 2, 10. Understood? Now, next one. What is the area of each of the triangles? Now they are asking us to find the area of each of the triangle. So now we calculated this part, it is 10. Yes or no? So overall it is 20. So this whole rectangle will be 10. So then this triangle will be half of 10, that is 5. This is 5. Understood all of you? Good. Now next one. Puzzles with 5 squares. How many different shapes can you draw? Using 5 squares, how many different shapes can we draw? This is the question which is given in the textbook. Like this it is given, and they are asking us to draw like this, squares, different shape, by using only 5 squares. How many squares we should use? Only 5 squares. So I have already done for you like this, and it depends on your creativity how you will do different shapes. Whichever your mind it comes, you can do it, but it should contain only 5 squares. You check out anywhere, it will be 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Like that, only 5 squares should be there. Okay. And now they are asking us to find the perimeter. Okay, in the next page I have given solve the questions, but perimeter I am finding out here only so that it will be easy for you. Already we discussed in our starting classes what is the perimeter. The length of the boundary of the given shape is the perimeter. So how we'll get it? Now for the first one, have give the numbers also. The first one, perimeter means what? We have to add the outside. Yes, on a boundary. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, 12 centimeter. Now second one, 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Don't leave any side, okay? 12. Like this, we will find the perimeter of all the shapes, how many you will get. I got 12 shapes, ma. You do in any way, you will get 12 shapes in the given chart, okay? So, I have found out the perimeter for each and everything, and I got only for the fourth shape, that is this shape, 10, and remaining all shapes I got it as 12 centimeters. Okay. Now next one. We'll see the questions which is given for that. Which shape has the longest perimeter? How much? And we have seen that all shapes except the fourth one got all shapes got 12 centimeters. Only 1/4 shape got the 10 centimeters. So all are long other than 4. Now shape 4 has the smallest perimeter out of 12 shapes. Rest shapes have the same perimeter, that is 12. So you can number out that 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 shapes got the same perimeter, that is 12 centimeters. Which shape has the shortest? Which was the shortest? The fourth one which we drawed was the shortest. What is the area of the shapes? Dash square centimeters. So now what they are asking? They are asking us to find the area. So how many shapes are there? 12 shapes each. It's a no 12 boxes. 12. So there are 12 shapes. Each shape has complete 5 squares. We have already seen every box has 5 squares. So the area will be 5. Yes or no? Because it's complete squares we have taken. Complete square is 1 centimeter. Yes or no? See, every box, however you draw, if I draw like this also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or no? Now if I draw like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the area will be 5. So all the shapes area is same, that is 5 square centimeter. Okay. Now next one. Practice time. Ziri tried to make some tiles. She started with square of 2 centimeters side and made shapes like this. Okay, shapes she made like this. She has taken 2 centimeters square and she has made shapes like this. Which of these shapes will tile a floor? They are asking us, will tile a floor means which will match, एक के साथ एक match हो जाएगा, उसके बीच में gap नहीं आएगा. You have seen at your house tiles, yes or no? Will there be a gap in that? No, that will match. And we have also seen on roads and everything near pedestrians, different shaped ones also will be there, yes or no, like this. And will they have the gap there? There also no gap will be there, it will be joined. So like that they are asking. So without any gaps, discuss what is the area of these shapes. Now by observing the shapes given, by seeing the shapes, shape C and D will tile a 4 without any gaps, that is C and D. Because C, if I am taking, again the same shape I will take, yes or no, the same shape I will take, I will turn like this and put in this. See here I have given, yes or no. उसके बीच बीच में ए जो एक्स्ट्रा से इसके अंदर चले जाएगा, ए जो एम्प्टी है उसके अंदर चले गया इन दैट वे. एंड सिमिलरली डी ऑल्सो विल गो लाइक दैट. But if we take A, because A is like this and it is having a projection like this. If I take one more tile, it will also have projection like that. So where will I keep that? Here the gap will be there. Understood? In B also same like that. This fish shape type one is there, na? That gap will be left out. But here it doesn't left out, because next tile when I take, what I'll do? This projection one I'll insert in this empty part. Like this, he's also I'll keep like this and go, so there will be no gap. Now the shape C and D will tile a floor without leaving any gaps. Okay, like this you will get it. Area of each shape is, now they are asking us to find the area. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many complete squares are there? 4. So area of each shape will be 4. Now design shape with C, and this is the design shape with D. Okay, all of you understood till here? Okay children, by this we have completed the chapter how many squares. I hope you all understood the chapter, and if you have any problem, please put down in the comment section. Okay, thank you.